What's up, Storm Nation? Today we are drilling and checking out the all-new Storm Ion Max, NRG solid cover, Element Max AI core. This ball is expected to be on the stronger end of the spectrum, made for heavy oil and fresh patterns early on in the day. I decided to drill this ball pin below the ring, which is exactly what I have on my Ion Pro, so we can compare the shape between the two. And today I have out a medium pattern, and I'm super excited to see how this ball rolls. Let's check it out. My initial impression on this ball is wow, is it strong, and man, does it strike a lot. It gives me such a strong and heavy roll and goes through the pins with a ton of power. As I was shooting this video, I realized I had a pretty good string going, which is always a good sign when throwing a new ball for the first time, right? Let's see how many in a row we can get. I feel like I can trust it out to the right and know it will come back strong, and it's also so early and smooth that I don't see it going offline down lane or going through the pins high. And I mean, how can you deny a messenger like this? This ball is a must in my bag. I'm super interested to play with the surface on this ball. One little trick that I found helps me a ton with having slower ball speed and battling the front part of the lane is to take these bigger, strong asymmetric pieces and bring the surface up or even throw polish over them, and it allows me to stay in them longer. Once I realized I had a little string going, of course the pins had to keep me in check, but then we're right back on it. Okay, now let's compare it to the Ion Pro. Same drilling on both, and I'm going to throw the first shot in the exact same spot. You can see much cleaner and less overall. I'm going to start scooting my feet back right and squaring up my angle some because this definitely isn't reading the lane as hard as the Max does. I love the Ion Pro. I spent the end of the tour season with a few of them in my bag. I had both a pin up and pin down layout, and they came into play a lot during the middle games. Now let's hop back into the Ion Max. Again, we're gonna start in the same spot where I was throwing the Ion Pro. And of course, this one's gonna go high, much earlier. And I'm gonna make a big move here and open my angles back up. I ended up moving about 5 boards between the two balls, and you can see a big angle difference. I would expect to use the Ion Max on heavier volume patterns, fresh conditions, and early on in the day, where I usually find myself using the Ion Pro throughout my middle transition games. This ball looks absolutely amazing to me, and I'm really excited to throw it some more. If you're looking for a strong ball, this is the one. Be sure to get yours at a pro shop near you on September 20th.